Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Hungry Young Man. Today in our Ramadan kitchen we'll be learning how to make easy and delicious chickpea salad. Do not miss the tip that we provide in every video, so make sure you watch the video until the end. So let's get started. Boil the chickpea, take 5 to 6 whistles, adding salt. To this add onion, green chili, add tomatoes. You can even add sweet chutney or pudina chutney to make it little tangy. Add coriander leaves, squeeze some lemon. We have added salt already when boiling chickpeas, so no need of adding salt here, and you can check and you can add the salt later. Now our delicious and easy chickpea salad is ready. You can check out our Ramadan playlist at the end. You can check the recipes in different language on our description box below. Please leave a like, share, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe. Press the red button and the bell icon next to it. Thank you.